Today we close the box because they're crying. They're all away. Okay. Hi Theo. Hi folks. Hi Brittany. Hi Mama Kako. Where's Alvin? Oh, he's sleeping. Brittany. Brittany. Don't push your Kako. Okay. We have to get out of this table. Oh no, Brittany, no. Get back. You should get back, you little mama, little baby Kako. Kako Jr. Oh no. Theodore, don't follow. Pokey, you're the eldest. Don't let them follow. I cannot stop them. They just wanted to explore. I should do something.